In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable a passkey on eBay. If you're looking to enhance the security of your eBay account, setting up a passkey is an excellent step. This feature allows you to log in using biometric data such as Face ID or fingerprints, or by using a device PIN, making your account both secure and convenient to access. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to sign in to your eBay account. So, open up your browser, head over to eBay and log in with your usual credentials. Once you are in, move your cursor to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see your name displayed, hover over your name, and a drop-down menu should appear. From that menu, you need to click on Account Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Now that you're on the Account Settings page, the next step is to navigate to the Sign In and Security section. This is where you manage all matters related to your account's security. Once there, you'll see an option labeled Passkeys. This is what we're interested in for this tutorial. Next to the Passkeys option, you should see an Edit button. Go ahead and click on it. You will then see the option to either set up passkey or add a passkey, depending on whether you have already set up one previously or not. Click on this option. It's a straightforward step, but crucial nonetheless, as it directs you to the next phase of passkey creation. When you initiate the setup, you'll be prompted to choose how you would like to create your passkey. If your device supports biometric login, you can use Face ID or a fingerprint scan to create the passkey. This method is usually the quickest and most secure since it ties the passkey directly to your biometric data. However, if you prefer, or if these options are unavailable, you can create a passkey using your device PIN or a screen lock. Once you've chosen your preferred option, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity using the selected method. After you successfully verify, the passkey will be linked to that device. This means that next time you log in, you can do so with the ease of a biometric scan or a quick PIN entry, enhancing both security and convenience. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a passkey for your eBay account. This added layer of security will provide better protection for your account, making it harder for unauthorized users to gain access. I hope this guide was helpful and that you feel more secure now with your eBay account. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful tutorials.